We've got a nice amount of spinach leaf here. We'll definitely get some of that. I'll cut back half of this container. And we've got lots of little leaves beneath it as well, so they'll grow back of it next week or so. Well, that's a nice amount of fresh spinach already, and we'll get a nice clump of this little gem lettuce as well. You can't beat homegrown salad. Well, I think I'm going to mix in a bit of this Apache red lettuce as well. Nice bit of colour to add. Now that looks even better. This is probably going to be last harvest from this plant, but we've got some really small, completely ripe, very sweet cherry tomatoes. So if we're going to have a salad, it won't be complete without a few of those. That was a nice little harvest. So now what we're going to put together is a really tasty little salad. And all that chopped salad that we harvested today. Lots of amazing greens in there. I've got some fresh homegrown chopped tomatoes. We'll put those in. And since I harvested so many, let's throw in a few extra. Chopped onions straight from the garden. Beautiful. Grated carrot, again, straight from the garden. Let's get all that in there. Cucumber, chopped into little cubes. Pickled beetroot that we grew last year. There's so much nutrition going into this meal. I'm adding a little bit of boiled egg in there as well. Lots of protein. And then I'm going to add a good amount of strong cheese to that. Let's mix this all together. Packed with nutrition. Now we can get this plated up. We'll take a nice portion of that mixed salad. So that's all as a mixed salad in there. So much goodness in this little dish that we've created tonight. But we've not finished yet. Let's add that chicken. I'm going to give that a drizzle of mayo on top. And we'll give that a quick mix again. Beautiful.